Gagawa naman tayo ng fried chicken nga. Papakulo tayo ng tubig. Tapos pag kumulo na yan, lalagyan natin ng mga sangkap. Lalagyan natin ng meron tayong bawang, sibuyas, paminta, asin, at saka laurel. Ayan. Yan ang ilalagay natin doon sa kumukulong tubig. At saka meron tayong lemongrass, tanglad. At saka meron tayong leeks, organic. Ito naman yung ating mga hita ng manok. So ngayon gagawin, ihiwain na natin yung ilalagay natin dun sa kumukulong tubig. Ilalagay na natin yung bawang, sibuyas, at itong leeks. Tapos isusunod naman natin yung tanglad. Tapos lalagay tayo ng pamintang buo. Tsaka asin. Laurel. Tatakpan natin. Pakukuluin muna natin, saka natin ilalagay yung manok. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang manok. Kailangan urasan natin ng 45 minutes. So, hindi kasya. Puluin lang natin. Tapos, patayin natin. So, ngayon, after 45 minutes, ihahanguin na natin. Tapos, papahangin na natin sa ating ventilador. Ng mga 10 minutes siguro. Tapos, yan ang magiging sabaw natin mamaya. Itong pinakuluan natin ng chicken. So, ayan, nahango na natin. Takpan natin ulit. So, ayun, ito na yung toyo. Hinuluan ko siya ng konting tubig. So, alo-aloin natin. Tapos, brasa natin. Para matanggal yung dumi. Char. Ayan. sumama pang gulay. Ibalik natin. Uy. Para malagyan yung kabila. Tapos babalik na rin natin ulit. Itatapat natin siya sa electric fan. So, ayan, pina-electric fan na natin siya para matuyo. So, pag tuyo na, saka natin siya ipiprito. So, ayan, piniprito na natin yung ating fried chicken. Natin crunchy. Merry Christmas! Ayan, magbubukas na kami ng mga aming regalo! Oh my God! Biscuit! Purple. Oh, what's this? Ah, it's a... Ah. The purple. Okay. The gift for Liana. And oh, no name. Oh,
thanks for ringing in Christmas with us here.
no name.
Sack off the last minute gift wrapping. Every second when right.
It's the same as that one, so that was
We just told you with Jimmy. It's easy with strong language and a lot of humour.
Oh, it's got your name on it, look, it's got.
Oh, yeah, whiskey. Whiskey. Mine. For Liana.
Of course, keeping channel 4 comedy fresh.
Liana. Hello, Liana. Oy!
Some of them say 4 on as well, so you have to make sure you're looking at those.
You don't look, darling. For Liana. For me. For me, for Whiskey. For me. Oh, I have loads of gifts. For Lolo. For me. For you. Whiskey. Oh, Whiskey. Come here. This is yours. This one is for us. Really. Yeah, so. This is for you. For me. Oi! For you. Oh! Whiskey! You have won. Oh!
Because I'm the only one who loves you. Yeah.
Open your gift, please.
Open your gift.
Whiskey.
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 Oh! You just
Whiskey.
darling.
Wait. Open,
What's that one?
Dali.
What?
Open, open.
My gift. You try. It's good. Oh,
Whiskey. Ay, sus. Wow!
wow! Biscuit! Wow! Biscuit! Your fried chicken! Oy! Gusto niyo yan, oh? Yung he like it, no? Because it look like,
That's what it smells like.
Huh? Huh?
It smells like it has catnip.
Yay!
It look like daga. Come on. It look like daga.
Come on.
It look like daga.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Daga, the...
Ouch. Whiskey's waiting.
Ah!
Yay!
Why you like it?
Look to the camera, Whiskey.
Why you like it? There's a smell.
It's something they call catnip, which cats really like. What's the other one?
The other one. What's the other one?
Merry Christmas! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Whiskey, Merry Christmas.
New Year. Tapos na ang Christmas.